Respected teachers and my friend, my name is Arpit Khade. Today I am delivering my seminar and my seminar topic is carbohydrate. Topic discussed throughout the seminar is first the definition, classification, monosaccharides, disaccharides, trisaccharides and last the uses. What are the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are generally the polyhydroxyl aldehyde and polyhydroxyl ketone. The most carbohydrates are come from plant products, just like fruits, leaves, roots, nuts, and grain. In plant, during photosynthesis, the one molecule of glucose and six molecules of oxygen release in one cycle. Carbohydrates include both simple sugar and complex sugar containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The carbohydrates are polyfunctional compound. It contains mainly aldehyde group in glucose, ketone group in fructose, and alcoholic hydroxyl group found in both compounds. What is the definition of carbohydrate? Carbohydrates are defined as the polyhydroxyl aldehyde or polyhydroxyl ketone and large molecule that produce this compound on hydrolysis. The general formula of carbohydrates is CxH2O by Y, where the X is the number of carbon and Y is the number of water molecule. Now we further move towards the next point, that is the classification of carbohydrates. The carbohydrates are classified into three types: the monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. The monosaccharides are also further classified on the basis of aldehyde group and ketone group. If the molecule contains aldehyde group, this molecule is called aldose, and if the molecule contains ketone group, this molecule is called ketone. Now the monosaccharide. Monosaccharides, here the mono means one and saccharons means sugar. The monosaccharides are also called the simplest sugar and cannot be hydrolyzed. For example, the glucose under the hydrolysis and we can see the no reaction. The monosaccharides are polyhydroxyl aldehyde and polyhydroxyl ketone, which cannot be decomposed by hydrolysis to give the simpler carbohydrate. The oligosaccharides, in Greek the oligo means few, that is the 2 to 10. The oligosaccharides are the carbohydrate which contain 2, 3 or more monosaccharides molecule on hydrolysis. The oligosaccharides further divided into disaccharides and trisaccharides. The oligosaccharides can be hydrolyzed into two monosaccharides units called as the disaccharides, for example sucrose. And the trisaccharides, the oligosaccharides that can be hydrolyzed into three monosaccharides units are called as the trisaccharide, for example the raffinose. Now we discuss about the polysaccharides. The carbohydrates containing more than 10 monosaccharides unit on hydrolysis called as the polysaccharide. For example, cellulose and starch is a polysaccharide which on hydrolysis to form very large number of glucose unit, that is the monosaccharides. In general, the monosaccharides and disaccharides are soluble in water, sweet and crystalline. Therefore, they are collectively known as the sugar. The polysaccharides are insoluble in water, tasteless, amorphous. Therefore, they are called as the non-sugar. Now we discuss about the uses of carbohydrate. The glucose provides energy for the brain and half of the energy for tissue and muscles. The glucose is immediate energy source. The glycogen is the reserve energy. The carbohydrate also help to digest the protein and fat. Carbohydrate gives the body energy. Carbohydrate gives strength and support the plant cell wall. They are the best source of fuel for the body. These are the references. I collect all this information from this book.